Hey guys, it's Sandy. So today's video is going to be an updated brow routine. I recently got the TheBrowGal, the instant tinted brow gel with microfibers in my BoxyCharm, and I've really been loving it. So it's changed up my brow routine. I did get it in the shade Brown Hair 02. However, the NYX Micro Brow Pencil that I use is in black, so it kind of balances it out. So I just run it through my brows, and it really helps. Look, that already looks pretty filled in. So I've worn it on its own to like run errands and stuff. I use it now mostly to define. And that's one brow done. Okay, so you see how I have like little baldness right here? And then I have this really obnoxious little section right here. So here's this brow with just the brow gel. And here's the other brow that's completely filled in. I am absolutely in love with this stuff. So we'll definitely be picking it up again once I run out. Now, this one is my difficult brow. And for some reason, I can't get a straight line going this way, so on this one, I always have to go this way when filling it in. That's my little one. His name is Taco. So that wraps up this brow video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to check that notification bell, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.